Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use a jigsaw. I use a Bosch jigsaw to cut a straight line. Okay, it would be nice if I have a circular saw, but I didn't really use it. I'm going to use it once a blue moon, so I decided to use a jigsaw to cut a straight line. So first of all, I'll need to find out what is the distance from the edge to the saw blade. We measure 33 mm. Okay, it's 33 mm. Closer. Okay, so this is the 3 mm, not inclusive of the thickness of my blade. So it's 33 mm. So if I set 33 mm using another piece of wood attached to here, which is this piece of wood, is going to flush it over the side so that when the blade cut through this line, it will get a straight line. Okay, so eventually I'll need to measure 33 mm from the side. Zoom in for you, have a look. Okay, so it's 33 mm, this line here, it's 33, make a straight line of 33 mm, and I will be able to start cutting. Just now, I've measured the distance from the side to this line is 33 mm. So if I were to place my jigsaw flush to this piece of wood, I will be able to draw a straight line. Let's cut it out for you. Right. And here it goes, a flat line using only a jigsaw. Do subscribe to my channel, appreciate thumbs up, stay tuned for my next video.